name is Chef Pri, and I'm the owner and executive chef at Dynamic Duo Catering. I graduated culinary school nearly 2 decades ago, and it's been a beautiful pathway into a culinary career. Well, it's been something that I've been extremely passionate about for the majority of my life, and I really love the creative outlet that it allows me. I encourage others to explore it as a career choice just because of the vast things that you can do. You can either go the entrepreneurial route like myself, you can work in hotels, hospitals, restaurants, or even become a teacher. Know your history. Cookbook author and restaurant owner Edna Lewis was an African-American chef who was a trailblazer in the culinary world, and her contributions have helped pave the way for future generations of chefs. Know your opportunity. VVC offers a restaurant management associate's degree and certificate program offering students work-based learning opportunities to develop hands-on skills. VVC is the place to be.